Hello again, YouTube. So I got another box set of progressive pop sounds from Britain again. And this is High in the Morning, with this time covering tracks from 1973. And of course, a lot of big names in here. Mott the Hoople Sear, Manfred Mann's Earth Band, Caravan, Kevin Coyne, Thin Lizzy, Procol Harm, Steelers Wheel, Rare Wheel, Duncan Brown, Rare Bird, Hawkwind, Badfinger, Pados here, Roxy Music, Kevin Ayers, Free, let's see, Status Quo, Greenslade, and next, The Fat Family, The Spencer Davis Group, Kingdom Come, Pink Fairies, Sensational Alex Harvey Band, Nazareth, the Faces are in here too, Curved Air, Jade Warrior, and what else? Oh, Roy Wood, The Kinks, and Brian Ferry. So a lot more music, and also from bands that I'm familiar with. So yeah, got this. And that'll be it for this video. I'll be leaving a link to my last one, and also the links to my first 3 books available for purchase on Amazon in the description below. And to all at YouTube, have a good evening.